For Thursday, January 11th, Bob Price on Canada's Business Beat, brought to you by Eric Patato of eXp Realty, your BC, Thompson, Okanagan, and Shuswap lakefront specialist. And how's this for a backfire? Engine maker Cummins agreeing to replace or repair a whopping 600,000 Dodge Ram pickups in the States as part of a legal settlement with the U.S. Department of Justice, which accused the company of cheating on emissions tests. Cummins' overall penalty in dollar terms topping $2 billion. Popular Vancouver-based fashion retailer Aritzia is telling its investors that new store openings should help brighten the company's financial situation. Aritzia blaming lower sales and steep markdowns for a sharply lower third-quarter profit of $43.1 million. That's down 39% from the $70.7 million they made a year back. One of Canada's most listened to business podcasts and heard around the world on X, TikTok, and wherever you get your favorite podcasts, Canada's Business Beat is proudly sponsored by Eric Patato of eXp Realty. Considering a move to beautiful BC? Eric is your Thompson, Okanagan, and Shuswap lakefront specialist at OkanaganLakefrontProperties.com. The budget knives are being sharpened again at Amazon, confirming plans to lay off hundreds of workers across its Prime Video and MGM Studios unit, commercials launching at the end of the month. Quebec-based telecom and media company Cogeco reporting a disappointing quarter, a slight decline in revenue and a sharply lower profit of $98.7 million in Q1, down 20% from the same 3 months of last year. And a coming ban on short-term rentals in BC has investors scrambling. News out of Victoria, where dozens of Airbnb condos have just hit the market. One unit in the city's scenic Inner Harbor selling for $300,000, $167,000 below asking. And that will do it for your Thursday. Thank you for listening. Bob Price on Canada's Business Beat, brought to you by Eric Patato and OkanaganLakefrontProperties.com.